If you are actively managing your investment portfolio, spending like at least 15 minutes a day doing a little research, looking for ideas, watching your positions, this video is for you. Best of US Investors offers the Platinum Channel. The Platinum Channel provides this Monday through Sunday. Here we go. Sunday, you receive a list of charts of interest. These are stocks that are swing trading opportunities, trading below the 200-day moving average. Second, you receive a list of momentum stocks that we see in the next week that will perform, that could be money makers. Third, we offer the price range projections, and this is a list of the Mag 7, the four big indices actually of the United States, along with, and coming soon, an assortment of ETFs that are popularly used and cryptocurrency, the top 3 market cap cryptocurrencies and their price ranges for the day. Now, Monday through Friday, you get a morning newsletter as well, and that newsletter includes charts of interest updates, momentum stock trades updates, along with the price range projections, daily updates. Okay, this is a lot. Then on Friday at 11:30 Central, we do the Platinum Channel call, and that is where Mark and myself, Trent, we break down the past week, what we experience, what we see, and then we go through charts that we believe are opportunities, and then a big Q&A from the tribe, and we get into y'all's questions and what you're interested in, and everything from beginner to expert, we get deep into it. You get replays on all of those, along with Kerry does his call at 3 o'clock on Friday. You get access to that and the replay, along with access to his cheat sheet, his 3-year projections on AI stocks that he is following, along with his personal portfolio and the trades that he makes throughout the week. This is in-depth, it's a lot of content, it's a lot of information, and it can make you money, okay? Not guaranteed, it's not advice or recommendations, but it is ideas that get you to where you want to go, and that is to not think about money every day and being able to go do the fun things you want. If that is your goal, is to not think about money every day, to do the things that make you happy, that create financial freedom, that you just have excitement for, you need to subscribe. Now we have 14-day free trial. Go in, you do the 14-day free trial. Then after that, it's $60 a month. $60 a month, we're providing enough content and value that you can make that every month, pay for it, along with making more money and creating wealth. If you are truly interested in taking control of your personal financial freedom, subscribe. Hit the link in the profile, go to our service page, and subscribe. Peace. Live loud.